In this video, you will learn how to fix Toyota app not working. It can be frustrating when you want to use your app, but it won't open or connect. I will go through some simple steps to help you get the app running again. To start fixing the issue, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Once in Settings, tap on General. Next, look for iPhone Storage and tap on it. This section provides an overview of all apps installed on your device along with their storage usage. Scroll through the list until you locate the Toyota app. Once found, tap on it. Tap on Offload app. After offloading, select Reinstall app. This will reinstall the Toyota app without losing any personal settings or data associated with it. Now that you've reinstalled it, check if this resolves your issue. If offloading didn't fix things, a full reinstallation might be necessary. Start by finding the Toyota app icon on your home screen. Next, press and hold down on the Toyota app icon until options appear. From these options, select Remove app. Then tap Delete app. Confirm by selecting Delete once more. With the old version deleted, it's time to reinstall it fresh from scratch. Open up the Apple App Store and search for Toyota in the search bar. Locate it in search results and tap on the cloud icon to install it back onto your device. After downloading completes successfully, open up the Toyota app again and hopefully now everything should be functioning as expected. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.